The perfect walking tour of Barcelona. What do we find? Buckle up, we're hitting the sand, the spires, and the football legends. If you only have one day in the Catalan capital, this is exactly where you need to be. Let's go. We start at the legendary Sagrada Familia. Fun fact, this masterpiece has been under construction for over 140 years. That's longer than the Great Pyramids took to build. Next, we're soaring over to Park Güell. Travel tip: book your tickets weeks in advance. The monumental zone sells out daily. Time to hit the ground on La Rambla. It's the heart of the city. But watch your pockets, it's pickpocket central. We're ducking into the Gothic Quarter. These narrow streets are over 2,000 years old. Look up, you'll see gargoyles that have seen the Roman Empire rise and fall. I'm starving. We're hitting La Boqueria Market. Food preference: skip the tourist traps and go for pimientos de padrón fried peppers and fresh jamón abrico. Now, the holy grail for sports fans: Camp Nou. Whether you're a Barcelona fan or not, the energy here is unmatched. Next, Passeig de Gràcia, exploring the high-end shopping district, right next to Gaudí's most famous architecture. Plan accordingly, as most shops are closed on Sundays. We're ending the day at La Barceloneta Beach. It's the perfect spot for a sunset parlor. Highlight: did you know this beach didn't exist until the 1992 Olympics? They literally imported the sand from Egypt to create this paradise. Barcelona is a city that never stops surprising you. From Roman ruins to space-age architecture, it's got it all. Don't forget to subscribe for more explorations. I'm blasting off, and we'll see you in the next city.